Kashoo Accounting for Business, Honest Review, Watch Before Using. In this video, I'll be giving you an honest, in-depth review of Kashoo Accounting for Business. Before we dive in, all links to the product can be found in the description below. Now let's get into it. Kashoo is an easy-to-use, cloud-based accounting software designed primarily for small businesses and freelancers. It allows you to handle everything from invoicing and expense tracking to tax reporting and financial statements, all in one simple platform. One of the key features of Kashoo is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for business owners with no accounting experience. You don't need to be an expert to use it. Everything is intuitive and straightforward. Another highlight is its automated features, which can save you tons of time. The software automatically categorizes expenses, syncs bank transactions, and generates reports with just a few clicks. For businesses that deal with multiple currencies or have clients in different countries, Kashoo's multi-currency support is a huge advantage. Additionally, Kashoo integrates with a number of third-party applications like PayPal and Stripe, which is great if you're already using other tools for your business. However, it's important to note that while Kashoo offers a solid range of features, it might not be as comprehensive as other accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, especially for larger businesses or those with more complex accounting needs. But for small businesses looking for simplicity and affordability, Kashoo fits the bill. Overall, it's a great option if you need a reliable, no-frills accounting tool that keeps things simple. Before you decide, make sure to check the link in the description for the most up-to-date pricing and offers. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. It helps others find this useful information, and I'll see you in the next one.